In this video, I'll show you how to change campaign conversion goals in Google Ads. To do this, simply go and open up Google Ads, and from there you want to go to the campaign section, and under the campaigns dropdown, click on campaigns. Now here, go to the campaign you want to change the conversion goal for. So for example, I'll take this one and just hover over it with your mouse, and then there, going to click on the edit settings icon. Now after doing that, it will load these settings, and then here you will have the conversion goals. So go and click on it, and then what you can do is set it to account default, or if you click on that, you can set it campaign specific, and then you can choose campaign goals right here, so you can choose any of the goals that you have created. So then here under submit lead forms, I can do website or Google hosted, and then from there I can click save. And now I have that specific conversion goal set for this campaign once I click save right there. So that's how to change a campaign conversion goal in Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.